Over time, we develop processes for how we complete tasks. Perhaps you were shown how to do a task when you started your role, or maybe you created a process as you learned something that was new to you. Over time, the actions to complete a task become habitual. Because they're habits, we don't tend to question them, we just do them. For example, the same steps each month to complete a report. We do things the same way every time because that's the way we've always done it, but it doesn't always mean it's necessary or productive. In his New York Times best-selling book, Atomic Habits, author James Clear says, business is a never-ending quest to deliver the same results in an easier fashion. Our tendency is, if the process isn't broken, why fix it? James Clear's quote suggests we should be looking for ways to deliver the same, or I would contest a better result in an easier fashion. That's increasing productivity. Just because that's the way you've always done something doesn't mean that this is the way you should always do it. If it was, technology such as Wi-Fi, smartphones, and the internet wouldn't exist. So ask yourself the question, what am I doing just because? And have I ever considered there might be an easier way to deliver the same or better results?